Well, everybody, I forgot to do this, so we're going to put this at the beginning of the video. We would like to wish you, what do we wish them, Landon?
A Merry Christmas.
A very Merry Christmas. We're waiting for Mommy, but Mommy's been gone all day, and the video has to be done and uploaded by the night.
Well, she's getting cupcakes.
She's getting cupcakes. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. Get all the presents they want. Eat all the cookies and food. And I hope y'all enjoy this video.
Bye, Merry
We're not buying. We're starting the video.
Come on.
Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. So today we are going to check out the 6x6. Give me 1 second. We'll be right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we got the 6x6. Don't let me cut this thing off. It's a little noisy, but we finally got it done. So it's time to drive around the yard. Will she hold up? Will she brake? We don't know. I'm hoping it holds up, but let me show you what we've done. So step one, we have changed every fluid, front diff, transfer case, oil, spark plugs, fuel, all new. New carburetor because the last one, I didn't feel like messing with it. This is the bracing system we got. We got coming heel, down to heel, bolt down. 3 bolts down there. Come bolt down here to a piece of angle, back up, and twist and right there. And if we come back to this side, same thing. It comes up, it comes over and it twists and bolts right there. And then we got a piece right there. On with the bracing, we went ahead and put a muffle. I don't think the white JB weld was right. It's actually melting, but my nice regular JB weld, it's holding up pretty good. This is a piece of I think it's tubing from a scooter, but we got the exhaust ran up to the factory Polaris setting. Had to cut this off, which I'm gonna flush this when we put the bed on it. And if you ain't seen it, we got a Polaris complete rear end. This is just how it's ran. This is how everything's going. Got the vent hoses running. The carburetor is the only vent hose that I'm kind of curious about. One side was smaller than the other, so I think I got it to work. Let's hope when we get in some mud that it lasts. But first, we got to drive this thing around and make sure it don't snap in two. Because, I mean, the guy swore this metal would be thick enough, and, I mean, it's not the thickest stuff, nor is it the thinnest stuff. So let's drive around, climb some hills, and see, will she hold up or will she break? It's the moment of truth, people. 6x6, let's go. So it's been a very long time since I drove a 300, so let's hope we got the GoPro right. Let's go for a little spin. Look at everything spinning just right. Okay, let's go do a little climbing. If you remember last time, I didn't even get a video of it braking because I was having carburetor issues. This time, we got a brand new carburetor. I don't think we're gonna have any carburetor issues. Come on, baby, turn. I mean, the turning isn't terrible. Holy crap! Man, this thing it literally just climbed right over that. How'd that flex game working? Oh! Well, nothing's bending. It all looks about the same place. Heck yeah. I'm loving this, people. This thing might actually be good this time. I can't wait to get in the mud. I can't wait. Here, let's set up my phone. Transmission feels a little stiff, but hey. And she started smoking. If somebody can explain to me why she started smoking now, it's because she hates me, I think. I wonder if I can climb this. We're gonna climb this hill. We're climbing it with the bayou. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Ah, there we go. And we can climb it. If not, I got a bunch of vehicles to fix it. I think the length might get us in this one. Come on, come on, turn. Holy crap, yeah! So we might have let off a little too early, but hey, let's go a little hill climbing. Whoa! I gotta say, the length actually really helps with the hill climbing.
A few moments later.
Let's see a top speed run. That's about as fast as I can get. 18. Yeah, she don't want to go in the other gear. Oh, we got 21. I think that's it, people. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we got it. I think she's ready to go through some mud. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she did really good. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get the trailer really fast. I think we're gonna go into the house and get in a little mud. I think she'll do it. I mean, if she breaks, I'll just have to call somebody to come pull me out. So let me go ahead and get the trailer up, and I'll meet you back probably when we get in the mud hole. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here, and I forgot we had a massive flood last weekend. Just look how, holy crap, look how deep this is. Like, wow, this is about to be fun. I'm thinking about just setting the GoPro up here, but I can't because the sun's at the wrong place. It's like, come on. I mean, I think the GoPro will work. Then I'm gonna set the GoPro up right here facing that way because let's be honest, we have enough footage from GoPro view. Let's put from the outside. So let me set this GoPro up right fast and before we run out of sunlight. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got the GoPro set up. This is a moment of truth. Everything we have been working on for the last 6 months, since August, or before August technically, and the last couple of years trying to get these parts, this is it. Will she do it, or we have to go back to the drawing board? Honda 6x6 2.0, here it is in the mud. I don't know, I'm a little scared. I've never been this scared in a very long time. So let's send it. Let's hope the sun is in our way so the GoPro will catch it. And let's send it, boys. Okay, that's it. She did it, 6x6 walked. And so I've noticed, like, I noticed it felt weird. Something didn't feel right. Didn't take me long to realize when I was in the mud what was wrong. That axle said nope, which I really didn't like this axle. This was a used axle I had, but I put it on it and she said yeet yeet. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw a new axle on it and order some more spares. But other than that, she was doing good. But because that, I think we would have made it through with no trouble, but that wheel was not spinning because as you can see, the axle's gone. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know we didn't get in much mud. Like I said, there's always going to be those little things that happen, and that axle, since day one, I just didn't like it. I got it from Napa. It didn't fit right. I don't know. It was just a weird axle. I've got a lot of good axles from Napa, but this one's very weird. I don't know. So I'm going to throw this on the trailer. I'm going to take it to the shop. We're going to throw this axle on because tomorrow we're going to go back through these holes. But this time, now that I know that she walks good, we're going to hit them, people. So stay tuned for next week's video. Anyways, guys, I will see you next time where we'll take the 6x6, and I am so excited. Woo!